Selling your home in today's market requires some thoughtful planning and expertise. The RE/MAX Are You Fit to Sell program will help you determine if you are in the right shape. Preparing your home for sale is not just about pre-packing, clutter, and editing, but this is a big part of it. The house needs to be neat, clean, and orderly. Organizing and pre-packing items that are not used regularly will create a spacious feeling. When a buyer gets close to making an offer, they will begin to focus on all the areas of your home more closely. This means they will look everywhere, and because storage is one of the top items on a buyer's list, it is necessary to show them that your home has the space they want and need. Your house should sparkle, so make sure to clean it from top to bottom. Avoid using powerful smelling cleaning products, as buyers may be sensitive to these smells or think you are trying to cover up something unpleasant. When you walk through your house, does it feel spacious? How clean is your house? Just think about moving into your next home. Do you want to deal with the previous owner's dust and dirt? What items will you absolutely need and want to use while the house is for sale and until you move? How does your garage look? You need to show buyers that their cars will fit. Buyers want to move and continue working and living without a lot of interruptions or downtime. Your home will sell quickly if you impress them with a house that is move-in ready.